I'm never going to be invited back. Talking too loud over here because spring is here. And as we head into the warmer months, we are looking for fun new recipes to share. Joining us today with some spring rolls in celebration of the season, we have Ben and we have Alfredo. They are from Pei Wei, one of my favorite places. I have my gloves on because you guys are going to do some teaching this morning. We appreciate you. Okay, so give us, first off, an overview. You have a wonderful spring menu.
Absolutely, we do. Well, first of all, Pei Wei's been around for 25 years, and we were born and raised right here in the Valley. So we're always excited to be here and local. We've got a great spring menu in that we're making some spring rolls today. We've got a lot of different options, but today you're going to be working with Chef Alfredo on a vegetable spring roll.
Yes.
It's got a lot of veggies, and we use aromatics, and we saute all the veggies together, bring out the sweetness and the flavors. Yeah.
Well, thank you for being our neighborhood restaurant, and I say that with love because, as you know, working mom, growing up with little kids when they're grown now, but Pei Wei was our go-to. So we went from school to pick up Pei Wei. All right, so you're going to do a step-by-step, Alfredo. You're going to teach us how to make spring rolls.
Yes,
veggie spring rolls.
And actually, our recipe is very simple, very basic. So actually, you guys can try it at home. I done it with my daughters. I mean, they love it.
Okay,
so
what do we do?
One of the main things that we're going to start with, a little bit of oil, right?
Okay.
And adding the oil, we're going to add aromatics, which is aromatics are very critical. Garlic, ginger. We're going to add our carrots.
And the food is always so fresh. You all are making it just constantly.
We cook it by order, so that's what makes us different from the other competitors.
Right, it's not sitting under a light and conveyor and all that stuff, right?
None of that. Everything is fresh right before you guys order.
Okay.
So,
which makes the menu fun too, because you can make modifications if you need to.
Yes.
Hold this, add that. All right. So
so right here, all you got to do basically toss it.
Okay.
And this right here, you can add soy sauce, you can add mushroom sauce, you can add oyster sauce, and that will actually complete your vegetables with a little bit of glass noodles. We're gonna put it on.
That looks so good. It smells amazing
and
already.
If you guys, and I'm gonna do a little tossing so you guys can get a little bit like what we do in the restaurant.
Yeah. Woo. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Alfredo. You got it. So give us some tips on how to fill our spring rolls with all the different types of protein.
Yes. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to put this on the side because basically once you get all the vegetables ready, you can add soy sauce, you can add, like I'm saying, add ingredients. Right here, we got something already done that we're going to start rolling it so we can practice it. So here, let me get you one.
All right,
I'm going to make the...
you lead.
You know what? Let's make it more fun. Let's make it together.
All right, let's do it together.
I'll get you one.
Okay.
Of the wrappers. In your own cutting board.
Okay.
I'm going to get my own. And we're both going to do it at the same time. How's that?
That sounds good.
So what we're going to start with the diamond shape.
We have about a minute. So
set it out your diamond shape really quick.
Okay.
Yes. I'm going to give you your mix.
Okay, perfect.
Right here.
And this is what you just made in the skillet.
Yes.
Wonderful. All those yummy vegetables.
And all we're going to do is fold it in.
Okay.
Push it back a little bit. We want to fold the sides to the end.
Okay.
Have it straight.
Got it.
And look, roll it into it. Oh my gosh.
How did I do?
Amazing. But look, I just need a little bit of glue.
A little bit of this before I close it up.
To keep it together.
Okay.
And look at that.
There we go.
Ready to go.
Boom.
So easy, simple, and
yours looks really good.
You guys can actually put it on the oven, or you can deep fry it, light fry it, so you can get the brown, nice color.
And you're new. You're new one this spring.
Yes. Yeah, this spring we just introduced our Wagyu spring roll. It's light, it's crispy, delicious, but the best part is the Wagyu beef that's inside. It's so tender and delicious. Really great, so it's good to come in and give it a try.
Wonderful. Thank you all for being here. Pei Wei, we appreciate you so much.